Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard-boiled eggs. Achieving perfectly cooked eggs every time is simpler than you think. We'll start by selecting fresh eggs, as they tend to peel more easily. Then, carefully place them in a single layer in a saucepan. Make sure to cover the eggs with about 1 inch of cold water. This ensures even cooking from the start. Once your eggs are in the pot, bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as it reaches a full boil, immediately remove the pan from the heat source. Cover the pan tightly with a lid and let the eggs sit undisturbed for 10 to 12 minutes. This method uses residual heat for gentle, even cooking. You can adjust this time slightly for a softer or firmer yolk. After the resting period, it's crucial to stop the cooking process quickly. Immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath, letting them cool for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling helps prevent a green ring around the yolk and makes peeling much easier. Once cooled, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell all over. Then, peel them under cool running water for the smoothest removal. And there you have it, perfectly hard-boiled eggs, ready to enjoy. You can store peeled hard-boiled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for adding to salads, making delicious egg salad sandwiches, or simply enjoying as a quick, protein-packed snack. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.